meghalayapost.news.
Meghalaya Institute of Governance MIG mentakasngi kelapan kudno eka program kerpang bala ban kia ban kentiu ki samla kentai bat shinrang naga benta ban sandur ke jingya denti jong ke jingim ban long kita ki samla Nongïalam ban bit ban biang yelade batru naga benta ki imlang salang kane ke program la kerteng ke building young leaders through transformational life skill naga benta ban ajing hikai kerpang ki samla ki school beper halor ke jing Donkam ban pentebit nalor ka kam baki pule badru ban kia halor ke jing Donkam bakin he kinsan ban don ke jing ngos kham badru ban tip kumno ban yaj linti hakum kane ka perthai ka baki hab ban yakun ban bit ban biang yalade hagane ke jing penkut no ekane ka program lawan ban sim bentalang ru do ba meral bonds em MLA ka nong po kum kongsan haringkat ke jing don lang ka ardas district school education officer uba Iban Swear director ka MIG ka kong Jun H Warba project coordinator MIG bat kentubru Naduh kino Hikai Ïaki Khynnah school na ki school baper hagane ke sngila samru ki Syrnod chikin riuspa ap saungut ki samla pule ke bla pendap igane ka program ajing hikai ka balong ka jing penslur bakindang he dang san bat bakindang sngaus kham yala ka jingim ha ka jingya jenti hagane ka perthai.
Today the world faces dramatically new and challenging situations with reaching difficult proportions in terms of social, economic and geopolitical implications. Such challenges, though difficult, provide us with opportunities to grow. Whatever issues we hope to tackle, leadership is the most essential key to success. With the phenomenal progress that the world has made in terms of technology, in terms of knowledge, in terms of data sharing, yet we are still unable to tackle the most basic issues that faces us day to day, that is poverty, health, corruption, and many other issues that we face in our day-to-day life. While technology provides us with the power to change and develop in many ways, build infrastructure, build railway lines under the sea, build aircraft that can fly to space, yet we are unable to help each other when it comes to small and important issues that affect our day-to-day life. Simply by sheer numbers, the young people of today will occupy the most number of people in the world. While other countries in the world are having what we call a reduction in the number of population, more and more children, the number of children is decreasing. We in India is a country which will have maximum number of children from now onwards. While other countries are having difficulty in getting manpower, humans to do work, we will have an abundance of that.
Usually we stick to the books, the textbooks. But when you have to survive in this world, in this very competitive world, you need some life skills. The skills that will make you competent and confident to march ahead in your journey of life. Okay, so you are all in the age group of 13 to 18, right? 13 to 18, so you are all teenagers. We also call it the turbulent teens. You know, we call it the turbulent teens. Do you know that? Yes or no? Turbulent teens. Why? Because you're at this stage, you all are going through so much turbulence. What type of turbulence do you think you all are going through? Like you have a family set up, your parents saying something, you come to school, teachers say something, your friends, the peer pressure is there, isn't it? That is the external. Then you have social media at your fingertips. Okay? You have everything at your fingertips. That is the external influences. Besides that, there is something coming from within you also. The inside influences. You get so confused. What is right? What is wrong? How do I go about it? Does it happen to you? Does it happen to you? Yes. So I hope these skills that have been imparted to you through this program will benefit you. And then you will not just keep it to yourself, but you will apply it in your lives. Share it with the people who were not fortunate like you all to undergo this training.
You always have to be first. I hope that you have learned a lot from the master trainer, from your teacher, how to build self-confidence. We have here the testimony from dear student about self-confidence, about social media, about food habit, about cleanliness, and trust building. This is a very important point that you have to remember, because most of you are between the age 13 and 18, teenage. Madam has said in her remark that this is the time that you have to select, that you have to choose whether you press the right button or not. It is $1 million question to each and every one of you. When you will go back from here today, it is not that you have got a certificate that you have attended this program for 3 months program, training that you have got. But on top of that, there are many things behind the certificate that you have learned. And on top of that, you have to learn by yourself. Whatever that has been taught, maybe it is 20%, 30%, and you have to know how to multiply out of that. 10 into 20, how much? 10 into 20? 200. So we have to know how to multiply things. I hope that the master trainer, they have taught you, they have showed you the way, and now it's up to you when you go back home. Whatever that you have learned, like trust building, it is important. When you go out from this program, you have to keep in mind that the issues that has been brought and taught to you in school, apart from your daily curricular activities that you have, the syllabus that you completed in school, whatever training that you have got, please keep in mind that it will help you to build a better future in days to come. You may be good in studies, you may be good in exams, but remember one thing, is that you also have to be a good human being. You will represent yourself. To be a good human being is very important. That's why, student, you have to learn how to respect others. You have to learn how to respect teachers. You have to learn how to respect your parents. You have to learn how to respect the one who have helped you.
meghalayapost.news